You got it. Mommy's got to pick up this hose once I know you're going to stay in your circle. Turn left. Roman, left. Hey, you got... Okay, it's going to be our first exit. Well, okay, not our first. All right, our third, fifth, or 12th. Who knows? All right, hold on. That's the slow speed because the fast speed is killing me. Turn, baby. Yeah, we'll get up this fast when I know he knows how to turn and take his foot off the pedal. But this is a very good beginning. Hey, cutie! Okay, Mommy's going to turn this off about now, I think. Turn left. Turn left. You got to look where you're going, Studley. Well, okay, stop. You're going to run right into a chair and hurt you or the chair or something. You got to turn. Okay, there you go. Whew. Please, battery. Please don't have as long a life as I thought. Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay, stop.